Goo blue. Hello everybody, I got this new toy from an Indian celebration. This is how it looks from all sides. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is a Dinosaur Soap lab. You have to melt, pour, and play. And this thing includes 6 soaps, 3 dinosaur models, and 4 colors. Let's open up and find out. These are the items we got in our kit. So we have dino models, soap base, working tray, beaker, trimming tool, popsicle sticks, glitter, and we have some scents right here. We have green apple and lemon, and we have some colors. You won't like a dinosaur that's white. And the manual. Now let's get started. So, we've gone through everything. Now I'm going to take one of these teeny tiny soap bars and put them in the microwave with inside a microwave safe cup. Let's do it. Let's pour our soap into the beaker. Let's add our color. Let's choose blue. 1, 2. Now let's add 3 drops of our fragrance. So I'm going to choose lemon. 1, 3. Now let's mix it up. Now let's add a bit more color actually. Let's mix it all together. Mixy, wixy, mixy, wixy, mixy. I'm choosing this mode of a brachiosaurus. And now I'm gonna pour the beaker stuff into this. Our brachiosaurus is filled. So we have our dinosaur mold is done. So now we just have to wait 45 minutes. I think it's dried up. Let's find out. Hey, it's dried. Let's put these aside. I don't like this part, so we're gonna use this trimmer and cut it off. There we go. We can just take out these outer. But this dinosaur looks amazing. So let's make our next dinosaur, which is a triceratops. And this time, I'm gonna use yellow. So, let's restart the process. 3, 2, 1, let's do it. So, our molds are done. So we already have one done. Okay? So let's see how the others look. So first I'm gonna open this one. This one's yellow with sparkles or glitter, I should say. This is so cool. Look at it. This is seriously cool. Oh, this one's yellow and green. And this one also has glitter. Aren't these things amazing? Like, I mean, look at them. This one has sparkles and so cool. And this. Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.